Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracy, and this is where I break down digital marketing for the small business owner and entrepreneur. My mission is to simplify the steps to growing your business online, allowing you to create more of a balanced business life. And as someone that's been in the digital marketing space for 20 plus years, I've seen a lot of changes. I've seen tons of strategies that work, and I've seen tons of strategies that don't work. And one of the main issues I've seen with new clients is they've taken that approach of learn as you go and spend a massive amount of time and resources on things that aren't necessarily good marketing for their business online. I want to help you transform from not knowing where to spend your money or where to put your resources or where to put your time to understanding the concepts of online marketing and the resources, platforms, and tools available. This way, if you're a DIY marketer or outsourcing some tasks, you have a very good understanding of what needs to be done. And really, if you understand the basics behind the tools and platforms, you can really bounce around them very comfortably because they all are very similar in their foundations. This helps when a new tool or platform comes out, as you're not learning it from scratch. You understand the way it works easier and just need to figure out the navigation of the tool and the features and the benefits. And what do I mean by that? For instance, if you wanted to build a website for your business and you used a drag and drop website builder, once you understand how that works, you can take that knowledge and apply it to other builders. If you built an e-commerce site with Shopify, the basic elements are similar to building an online course in Thinkific or Kajabi. Are they exactly the same? No. One is focused on e-commerce and has specific things geared towards e-commerce with certain benefits and features, and the other is for selling online courses, but you can figure it out much easier knowing one. Same thing when you look at your metrics. Once you understand what you need to measure on your platforms and know how to measure it, you can apply that knowledge to Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and any other platform you use. Now, each type of business has its own strategies, and each one of you is unique. You have your own skill set, different budgets for marketing, also different resources available to you. Use the information from this channel and tweak it to make it work for you. I come from a time when there wasn't online marketing and social media platforms wasn't even a term. And perhaps look at it slightly differently than someone that grew up with these free online platforms and online tools. Let's harness the good of social media platforms and the good of digital marketing and use it to your advantage. My philosophy is to create rather than consume when it comes to online platforms. And I want to provide you with the strategies, the how to use, and the newest features to help grow your business without the burnout or the overwhelm. And as a side note, as someone that didn't have digital marketing at her fingertips growing up, there is so much opportunity out there for you. So many ways to connect with your customers and tons of ways to automate systems within your marketing. So don't get discouraged and don't get overwhelmed if you're trying to grow your business online. You definitely can, and sometimes you just need a little assistance in doing that. And I'm hoping that's what I provide to you with this channel. So remember, if this is the type of content you want, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you'll see more of my videos. And I look forward to connecting with you.